Hello friends, today we are going to learn the types of nouns. In the last lesson, we learned common noun and proper noun. If you haven't watched that video, please watch it before watching this video. चला तर मग पाहूया noun. Types of nouns. Common noun सामान्य नाम, प्रॉपर नाउन विशेष नाम, कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन समूहवाचक किंवा समुदायवाचक नाम, मटेरियल नाउन पदार्थवाचक नाम, ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन भाववाचक नाम. कलेक्टिव्ह नाउन म्हणजे समूहवाचक नाम. Collective noun is a name used to denote a collection of people, things, animals, birds, etc. लोक, वस्तू, प्राणी, पक्षी इत्यादींचा समूह दर्शवण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या नावाला समूहवाचक किंवा समुदायवाचक नाम असे म्हणतात. एक्झाम्पल: टीम, बंच, आर्मी, हाईव, ग्रुप etc. We use articles before collective nouns as a team of players, a bunch of flowers, an army of soldiers, a hive of bees, a group of dancers. Examples of collective nouns: a flock of sheep, an army of soldiers, a class of students, a bunch of keys, a library of books, a galaxy of stars. Material noun पदार्थवाचक नाम. Material noun is a name used to denote a material, a metal, a liquid, a food item, etc. पदार्थ, धातू, द्रव, अन्न घटक दर्शवण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या नावाला पदार्थवाचक नाम असे म्हणतात. एक्झाम्पल: वूड, सिल्वर, गोल्ड, ऑइल, मिल्क, राईस etc. We can make other things from these materials or substances. आपण या पदार्थांपासून इतर वस्तू बनवू शकतो. We don't make plural forms of material nouns. Examples of material nouns: sugar, milk, wheat, copper, stone, water. Abstract noun भाववाचक नाम. Abstract noun is a name used to denote a state, a quality, an action, an emotion, etc. स्थिती, गुण, क्रिया, भावना इत्यादी दर्शवण्यासाठी वापरल्या जाणाऱ्या नावाला भाववाचक नाम म्हणतात. एक्झाम्पल: चाइल्डहुड, ब्रेव्हरी, नॉलेज, काइंडनेस, मूवमेंट etc. We form abstract nouns from common nouns, verbs and adjectives. आपण सामान्य नामे, क्रियापदे व विशेषणे यापासून भाववाचक नामे बनवतो किंवा तयार करतो. Examples of abstract nouns: love, heroism, agency, greatness, judgment, boyhood, slavery, ignorance, mastery, kingship, action, truth. या सर्व उदाहरणामध्ये लव या शब्दापासून लव हे ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन तयार झालेले आहे. हिरो पासून हिरोइझम, एजंट पासून एजन्सी, ग्रेट ग्रेटनेस, जज जजमेंट, बॉय बॉयहुड, स्लेव स्लेव्हरी, इग्नोरंट इग्नोरन्स, मास्टर मास्टरी, किंग किंगशिप, ॲक्ट, ॲक्शन, ट्रू, ट्रूथ अशा प्रकारे ही भाववाचक नामे या मूळ शब्दांपासून बनलेली आहेत. Now some questions. Identify the collective nouns. I love my family. The answer is family. Pratham has a pack of cards. The answer is pack. They found a bundle of sticks. The answer is bundle. We are very proud of Indian team. The answer is team. She saw a pride of lions. The answer is pride. Identify the material nouns. Cow's milk is good for health. The answer is milk. It is a chain of gold. The answer is gold. Save water, save life. The answer is water. Cotton is a plant. The answer is cotton. Wood is used to make table. The answer is wood. Identify the abstract nouns. We all like freedom. The answer is freedom. Health is wealth. The answer is health and wealth. Prevention is better than cure. The answer is prevention and cure. Knowledge is virtue. The answer is knowledge and virtue. She is proud of her beauty. The answer is beauty.